The first method we do is to install the antenna like this. Then install the antenna cable to the machine. After that, choose the electrical source you will choose. If you want to use household electricity as an electrical source, install like this. If you want to use portable battery as the electrical source, install like this. You may not use two electrical sources at the same time. Just choose one of them. For this demo, we will use AC power as an electrical source. Then install the cable correctly. Turn the electric switch on. Press the remote to turn the machine on. Press this button to turn the CPU machine on. Okay, now the machine is ready to use. Please go to the next video, which is about the way to operate the machine and turn the machine off correctly.